ABEF, Brazilian Chicken Producers and Exporters Association, is an organization that defends the interests of the poultry meat export sector and promotes the Brazilian chicken meat throughout the world. Brazil has gained importance as a large worldwide producer, which brings together perfect conditions for poultry production development. The seal Brazilian chicken is the mark that promotes chicken meat exporters abroad. The chicken production chain is fully integrated, starting with nutrition. Soybeans and corn, the main feed components widely abundant in the country, feed the chickens with quality. Producers, in association with large companies, receive from them day-old chicks, the feed, and all necessary technical assistance to assure a healthy and uniform development of the chickens. The social aspect of producing and exporting chicken is extremely relevant, since it keeps producers close to the production. Poultry production employs hundreds of thousands of small producers that would not be in the market if such integration system had not been implemented. Biosecurity is a priority along the entire production process. The integration system deploys strict measures that assure that the livestock does not have contact with wild or migrating birds, besides limiting the access of people to the farm. Brazilian producers implement treatment standards that are aligned with the strictest animal welfare standards defined by OIE, the World Organization for Animal Health. The rights of not being hungry or thirsty, the right to comfort, the right of not suffering, and the right to express the natural behavior are all respected. The National Animal and Plants Laboratories, LANAGROS, in partnership with private laboratories, use state-of-the-art technology to monitor the control of pathologies, research the presence of residues and contaminants in meat, and analyze the samples collected within the National Plan for Preventing Avian Influenza and Newcastle Disease. During transportation between the integrated producer and the slaughterhouse, the animal is fully respected. It only travels short distances in appropriate cages that focus on its welfare. In cold storages, the constant surveillance of the Federal Inspection Service is essential in the production of healthy food. Management systems, critical point analysis, and quality certification were implemented by Brazilian exporters, thereby aligning the national production of chicken with consumers from around the world. A wide variety of cuts is prepared for the most demanding markets. On the packaging, a detailed description of each product. Factories at various locations across the country keep workers into the region of origin. In suitable environments, they receive incentives to promote their social living and the practice of activities that benefit body and mind. From the factories, the products are sent to the ports throughout the country, where they are shipped to more than 100 countries across 5 continents in sanitized containers at the appropriate temperature for transportation. An environmental concern is present along the entire production chain. Most of the chicken produced in Brazil is concentrated in the South and Midwest regions, far from the Amazon forest region and other environmentally protected areas. With the integration of participants along the entire chain, the production process can be fully supervised, from raw material to the final product. This assures traceability, a fundamental factor in the quality of the products offered to consumers. Brazil offers competitive advantages that allow for the continuous increase in productivity and quality in the poultry meat production. Brazilian chicken meat, proven excellence in quality, safe food, and a price that satisfies consumers throughout the world. Brazilian chicken, quality, sustainability, and leadership.